Hi everyone, in this video I'm making a wooden rainbow. I've always wanted to try to make one, but I never had enough courage to do so. And now is the moment. I have some scraps laying around of a countertop. I think it's rubber wood and the thickness is 38mm. It's ideal for those rainbows. I made a rainbow template with my compass. And then I cut it out on the bandsaw. For the outer bow it's okay to saw in different parts, but for the inner bows it's very important to saw in one steady line. I think it would be better to have a smaller bandsaw blade. Mine was a bit too wide I guess, but it turned out fine. But if I would make more than 3, I would change my bandsaw blade. Sand them smooth on the oscillating belt sander. To sand the inner part of the bows, you can change to the spindle sander. Because I have a disc sander, I also use that one. Give the bows a small round over. And of course, some hand sanding. Now it's time for the fun part, the coloring. Thanks for watching until the end. This project was a project I wanted to try for a very long time, and finally I had the courage to make one. A rainbow. I absolutely love it. It's so colorful thanks to Rubio Monocoat's oils. The oils are toy safe and I love to work with them. Thank you so much, Rubio, and I'll see you in one of my other videos. Bye!